The battery on KLX300 SM died recently, and I was searching on the net. I found a reasonable battery that has the same size. This is the old battery. This is FTZ7S lead acid battery. It's too heavy, too bulky, and it's like as I understand, it only works like 2 years. This is the replacement I bought on Amazon. It's a YTZ7SBS. I'll put a link on the video. It's according to the specification, everything is the same. The size, the CCA cold crank amp is 200, which the original cold crank amp is 100, and this is a little bit higher. This is lithium phosphate battery. It's supposed to last much longer. You just have to have the right tender or charger for it. So I have this Noco Genius charger where you can charge the, I'm sorry for the focus, lithium charger, where you switch to lithium and not AGM. So that's the right charger. When the bike is sitting for a while and you need to recharge, you have to have the right charger.